Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang bagong discovery namin sa Batangas, ang Anilao Awari Beach Resort. Napakaganda ng view ng sunset dito, lalo na when you're kayaking. Ang ganda rin tuloy ng pictures pag sunset dito. Sarap din ng tubig, super linaw, super linis. Kahit na feeling ko umiihi itong golden retriever na to. Of course, one of the reasons ba't ka nagpupunta dito is kasama yung family, and as you can see, the kids are having fun sa swimming pool. Ayan, kitang-kita yung saya nila dito sa 15 feet pool. Ginagamit ata nila to para sa training ng mga nag-scuba lessons eh. Okay din yung food, masarap siya, malaki serving, usually parang good for two and very reasonable yung price. But anyway, so ito yung parking nila na dadatnan mo pagdating mo. And if gusto mo bumaba, meron silang golf cart that will assist you going down dun sa beachfront. Si Kuya sanay na mag-drive ng golf cart eh. Ano yung pamangkin ko, super enjoy. Here's the beachfront. Hindi siya sandy, mas ma-pebble siya. Pero malinis yung pebbles eh. At tubig kung titingnan nyo, even from here. Maganda rin dito, this area is actually meant for snorkeling and diving, lalo na sa mas malalim yung part. So if you're into that, you're gonna really enjoy this place. Sample shot underwater. Sa harap lang to. And here's the welcome area. Ito yung sa taas. Pagka-park mo, ito yung welcome area nila. Staff nila makita mo, nakasmile lahat. Really good service. And they have their souvenir shop. So pagpasok mo sa taas, yan, parang may welcome area sila. Ang ganda ng space. Maluwag rin yung area. Ganda rin ang view kasi from this place patatanaw mo talaga yung Anilao. Kita mo rin yung swimming pool sa baba. Sa intro video ko, nandun kami sa kabilang side na taas. If you'd like to have team building, pwede dyan sa area na yan or pwede dito sa pababa, pagbaba ng restaurant. Here's their restaurant. Actually, maraming place ditong kainan. Ito yung design nila dito sa restaurant na to. Diyan sa taas, pwede rin daw kumain. Kita ko tong spot na to before the swimming pool. Pwedeng gamitin for team building, lalo na kung outdoor activity. Actually, may spot siya dyan sa right na parang multifunction hall. And then pag bumaba ka, yan na yung swimming pool area. Super laki ng swimming pool area. The kids will have fun. nakakatuwa dito, if you're a big group, maraming area talaga where you can have dinner or lunch together. Ito isa pang area, oh. Look at this spot. Diba? Ganda ng view. May area pa dun sa dulo. Now let's take a look at their rooms, specifically yung beachfront room. It's not too small, not too big, it's just right. Malinis, maganda yung lighting, maganda yung laman ng loob. Of course, silipin din natin yung restroom. Here, it's very simple, actually quite spacious and malinis. So dito, the following day, inikot namin yung lugar. Marami silang birds din pala dito sa cage. Ang gaganda, ang iingay, nakakatuwa. Nung gabi, inakyat namin yung kabilang side ng parking kasi nandito yung Banawi rooms. Ang ganda ng chapel. And then look at this view. Ang ganda niya rin sa gabi. Ngayon nakikita niyo yung pamangkin ko, palakad siya papunta dun sa area na may table tennis, may billiards, and just a place to hang out before you go to bed. So there, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you'll give it a chance. Bisitahin nyo guys. Super enjoy siya, sulit siya. Thank you for watching and I hope you guys enjoy the video.